Fujitsu air conditioners help to create a comfortable environment for you and your family. And there are some simple features that can help support your overall health and well-being. Everyone knows that sleep is an essential part of your health, and the temperature in your room can greatly affect the quality of your sleep. As a general guide, the ideal room temperature for sleeping in summer is thought to be around 22 to 24 degrees on cooling mode, and in winter, it's recommended to be set at 19 to 21 degrees on heating mode. To assist with temperature control while you sleep, some Fujitsu air conditioners have an inbuilt sleep timer function. This feature allows the air conditioner to gradually adjust to the set temperature throughout the night over a specified number of hours. Air quality is also essential. Air conditioners heat or cool a room first by drawing air into the system. When it does this, it passes through a filter, removing most of the dust and particles in the air. It is highly recommended that you maintain your air conditioner by keeping the filters clean, by cleaning your filters regularly. The air conditioning system should also be periodically serviced by a licensed technician every 1 to 2 years, depending on usage. Regularly maintaining your air conditioner assists in ensuring it continues to work efficiently and effectively. And of course, if you ever need more advice or help with your air conditioner, the Fujitsu General Assist team is here to help. Simply call 1300 882 201.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and follow us on our Facebook channel as well for more helpful updates.